I just find that the most important part is, get to be good in one thing. That's hard enough. Yeah, this 375 is probably the target. I mean, this makes perfect sense to come back into here. And I said, good possibility we could even close right there, although I was thinking that they would try to get it above there. And this is like a little double here. I think this is, and I said that earlier, you go back and look at the notes. I said this 375.04 is the key for the rest of the day. So at the end of the week, end of the day, this is a double top, we said, and the key will be, could they hold, say, this 3 for a double? If not, and more than likely, you may get a sloppy close, but I wasn't thinking doji close. And that doesn't leave too many options if you don't get a doji close, really. Because the short side has defended their turf well, and so has the long. And we said at the time that realistically, 12 is resistance till broken. So we can make one more leg down, and I think this has trapped a few of the traders who, wanted to bust right here. This is just one of those strange days for me where I have several appointments, so, I'm waiting for a phone call, and usually I wouldn't participate in a crazy ending like this anyways, but when we said double top here, this was the hard part, getting through that 6 to 5 and then the shakeout here. But early morning we said that because the high, we'd come from high to low, a reminder that bounces theoretically were contras until the high goes, so that it was okay to take another short. The second short is obviously a reasonable short, but no guarantee, because now the real key is this swing. So this has conformed pretty well to what we'd said. We'd said that, this 4 area, 375, is going to be key. Let me see, where's the magnet? I had the magnet at 3.5, so that should be it right there where we hit it. I don't know what VWAP is, but 3.5. So this kind of satisfies what I was thinking. Got an hour to go, and they're not going to leave it here probably for an hour. So you may get one more swing before done. And I've got power pivot at 1600.25. So I think this is the key for the rest of the day. Now that we've been able to get backwards and hold a second time up here. And my thought was that once got shorts trapped, they wouldn't let them off the hook. So I was thinking that this support right here will be the key. And I think most traders at the end of the day today, coming into this 03, will take some profits here. And then the close will be all important. Interesting day, really. NQ has respected what I thought would be its resistance today. It's also respected its support. And you can see how the blue line idea has held it up here on the NASDAQ, but not on the E-mini. So this is the conundrum to close in this area. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'm waiting for a phone call. The cardinal rule is don't give away all your profits at the end of the day and when the big boys are doing their thing. And most traders are addicted and want the action. It is about, we had the sequence correct. Wash out and flush, steep drive, come back, range trade. I did not expect a steep sell-off, nor did I expect a steep push the other side. This made the most confusion, and that's why I like these swings. And we said that 02, 01 earlier today, so that's still in play. Resistance zone still the 12 area. And that 120 chart, pretty good. So it's all about the close for today. And with an hour to go, really amateurs belong on the sidelines while the big boys fight it out. And if you took this, then it's strictly trailer, if you took the short. And step by step. So these guys are getting knocked out. They thought they had a winner to go into the close. And in my opinion, right there, this support, if this goes, anything can happen. You can even get back in, test the 98s, but I wasn't thinking they were going to do that. I was thinking they had this thing boxed in pretty good here. Just trying to keep it choppy. Yeah, a reminder, I'm going to Martha's Vineyards. I'm leaving for the 4th of July, and I'll be out the following week. So a reminder just for your schedule. And I'll try to check in here and there, but I've learned it's better to let my mind relax. When I'm here, I want to be here. When I'm out there, I want to be out there with the family. So this is our Magnet right here, and that's played out pretty well. And the trade logic we came up with, right on the money.